What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS254, man. Hey, this one's gonna be a good one. These are the upgrades we're finna do to the rear end on the Cutlass. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Man, so people been constantly asking, LS, what you gonna do to the G-body? LS, what you gonna do to the box Chevy? When that one gonna get a positive? When that one gonna get a positive? Is anybody gonna get a positive? Is anybody gonna get some gears? Well, the time is here for I to announce upgrades that's gonna be coming for the rear ends of the vehicles. All right, listen up. So, let me show you. Let me introduce you to my little friend, right? Bing. All right, so what I got here. You bad boy, got some weight. So this right here, say hello to my little friend. Yukon 7.5 inch Posi. Yes, sir. Yukon 7.5 inch Posi. The gear that is already on there is a 11 to 41. 11 to 41. You know what I'm saying? 11 to 41 on there. You know what I'm saying? Read that bad boy there. 11 to 41. Focus. 11 to 41, people. You know what that is? Tray 373 gears. Posi unit going in the Cutlass. Everybody want to smoke. James Brown say he finna act bad on y'all ass. So with this Posi unit, we have just you think they was coming before? They definitely finna come now. When them 373s up on that thing, you think they ain't gonna want that smoke? They definitely gonna want to. Now, the issue that we ran into was this unit is a 28 spline unit. So you know what your boy had to do. Bam! Focus. Moser street axles. Moser engineering 28 spline axles. Yes, sir. These are the bigger, beefier axles that Mr. Get In There has been recommending and everything like that. So he recommends these with the Torsen's Excellence unit, which let me get to that in a minute. And then we also have, let me show you here. Here we got wheel studs, but these are the screw-in type. Right there, boom. Moser on Moser. It's a Moser affair. Boom. So, y'all know how I get down, dog. Y'all know how I get down. I'm be like, why I look like that? Cause they not new. Cause you know what I do? I buy some shit that is working, but you know, somebody upgrading they setup, you know, whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my dog Mike. Shout out to them boys over there. That boy Jay at Jarway Racing. CTX. You know what I'm saying? Just putting on for that 254. So that's the official. That's the official what's going on with the colors and what's going to happen. I had the plan to go ahead and kind of get it done quick. However, weather has been a factor, as well as I got some other stuff lined up that I'm trying to make happen. So, but we got it. We got it. Now, some people may be like, well, hold on, didn't you have a Torsen's Extra axle? A Torsen's Extra unit from Classic? Yes. And you know what Classic originally wanted? Classic originally wanted that unit to go where? In the box. So, not one, but two of the cars that we're gonna be getting this rear end upgrade. 9 times out of 10, we're gonna run the 373s on the Torsen's Extra unit. 373 gears on that, and go from there. So, I think it's I'm excited, man. I'm excited as shit. I'm excited as shit. So we still gonna have to get another set of axles, 28 splines. For those, we might not go with the screw-in studs. We might just do the push-in joints. But basically, I'm gonna have to get another set of them axles and go from there. Now, something that has come to my attention is that if I go with these axles, I may or may not be able to do the drum upgrade or do the rear brake upgrade. That's kind of how I ran across these axles. My partner did the upgrade in the back, and when we went to run them 28 splines, they wouldn't work on his setup. So, I mean, I'm cool with drums. You know what I'm saying? Paint them bitches up and keep it pushing. But I just thought, because we ran into that issue before, I thought I'd just share it with y'all, mention it. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you done ran into it, maybe not. So, but yeah, that's what's going down. 373s, Posi unit, 28 spline axles. Who won't smoke? For real though, in all seriousness, man, this is all fun and games. We just building these cars and everything like that. So that's the plan for the Cutlass. Then we finna back door, get another set of axles for the Moser, another set of Moser axles for our Torsen's Extra unit. So the box Chevy and the Cutlass both gonna be having and laying down 11s. Oh, it's gonna be lit. Oh my God. Oh yeah, make sure you use that code LSCR10 to get 10% off that Oh My Clear from Grant 7 Paint and Coatings. Alright, man, I'm finna go on and wrap this up. Your boy gotta get back to work. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your stream. Life is all about choice to choose while the end, productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.